Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Money Mine. Before anything else, I would like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor in securities. Therefore, my views and opinion on this video is solely for educational and information purposes only. If you can do me a favor, please click the subscribe button, as almost 60% of my viewers have not subscribed to this channel yet. Nikola, with a ticker NKLA, traded in Nasdaq, just disrupted the investing world earlier this month after closing a surprise IPO stock price of $33.30 last Thursday, June 4, 2020. Just this past, it shocked almost everyone when it increased to 103.7% in Monday, while it goes up and down today, moving like a speed of a roller coaster, plunging almost 20%, then goes up again by 20%, then the stock closed at 8.8% at the end of the day. Woo-hoo! The biggest turnaround was Monday when it closed at $73.27, going up even to 89.01 after market, with a volume of 4,255,736. Compared to automotive industry rate of just 1.005% increased, while S&P 500, the common benchmark to every industries, had only 1.20%. Just 2 days, the stock price hike, which demand is considerably high, in hopes that it could be the next Tesla, boasts the newly listed company valuation to $26.4 billion, making its founder, Mr. Milton, worth around $8 billion per Forbes estimate. Is Nikola for real? Really? Is it a big thing that could kill Tesla's goal for a semi-truck market? Or could it crush Ford's F-150, as per Milton had said to us today in Yahoo Finance? As it going to accept reservations starting in June 29, 2020 for its state-of-the-art Badger pickup truck. However, this company just surfaced out, having that crazy valuation, implied valuation at $3.3 billion to $26.4 billion as of Monday, without a product to sell, without any trucks on the road, without any trucks in the production. Nikola had actually obtained this valuation after reverse merger with VectoIQ Acquisition Corporation, which is a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, which was traded lastly at $33.97, or with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Therefore, this valuation of Nikola is not just a magic, it's not just a dream thing. Actually, this valuation is just a carryover of VectoIQ's valuation as a result of their marriage, which solidifies NKLA as a global leader in zero emissions, transportation and infrastructure solutions, as their mission had stated. VectoIQ has reported a net loss of $124,540 as of first quarter of 2020 ending March 31, with total asset of $239 million and liabilities of $1.3 million. However, cash and cash equivalents was held in trust account of $238 million, which actually NKLA cannot use either. Fortunately, the company had able to secure $525 million from its blue chip investor Fidelity Investments. It has more than 14,000 pre-orders of F-SAVE as well, which has a net realizable value of $10.2 billion over 2.5 years of production. Remember, potential because it's a pre-order hydrogen-powered vehicle. According to their website, these pre-orders were binding contracts, meaning that these contracts are enforceable. That is, cannot be cancelled, or otherwise penalties may be imposed, and or a presence of unreturnable deposit as may be stipulated. So in my point of view here is that they actually have that commitment, and that commitment will be turned into a revenue soon enough, not now, but in the years to come. Aside from FSEB reservation, which is binding, actually Nikola had also demand on BEV, which is a battery electric vehicle, which according to their website, they have already a multi-thousand pre-order with binding contract as well, with a significant deposit 12 months prior to delivery. So this BEV will be in production, will be filled 2 to 3 years of production. In fact, due to overwhelming orders, Nikola had frozen their pre-orders to focus on their strategic partners, which for me is a good one, because in each game, in each company, in everything you do, focus is the key. If you want to be successful in each segment, you have to focus first your resources. Focus first on your attention to this one before going to the other one, so that you can fulfill first what you have seen. However, we have to wait until 2021 or 2022 before we can see an actual delivery or a positive operating result of Nikola. So we have to wait, and we don't have to prejudge this company. Actually, Nikola already delivered an H2 truck to Anheuser-Busch or Budweiser, which had ordered 800 hydrogen fuel cell semi-trucks to them. But how can Nikola meet this demand? How it can finance its production knowing that VectoIQ has no cash as well? Though we already know that it has a $500 million with Fidelity, and also the proceeds of this IPO. Moreover, according to track.com, the fundings of Nikola came from various sources, not only cash, such that almost all of the investors have deals to supply Nikola with goods or services. They also have a joint venture. A joint venture with a commercial vehicle maker CNH or Iveco. They had partnered also with Bosch and Meritor. Nikola also counts with South Korean solar panel maker Hanwha and Norway's Nel, which could help this company get what they want and could help this company get that sci-fi style semis on the road and fueled up their business. And it's true that in this world, you don't have to own everything. And I also believe on the power of outsourcing, because outsourcing actually has a lot of advantages to your company. I would also agree to Mr. Trevor that a lot of people already tired with diesel, even me. I'm tired of diesel and its emissions and the impact to the environment. Not to mention its cost. It's very expensive, the diesel and gas. So it could not be a surprise that there's a lot of investors flocking in supporting this company's mission. Of course, we need also to save our environment. And this hydrogen-fueled vehicles could help us fighting climate change. One key strength of Nikola's business model actually is its financial model. So they have BEV, they have FSEB, but they also have this direct sell or outright sale, and they also have a leasing. And we all know that leasing could attract a lot of industrial customers because leasing, a lease type transaction, could give me a greater benefits, a more benefits so that I can have more liquidity on my business. Their business model seems promising, but Nikola's future actually depends on how it can bring their promise, how it can fulfill these orders, how it can fulfill these productions, because they have partners worldwide sharing responsibilities, mainly having this outsourcing just like Amazon. How can they maintain their relationship? So that's something that we have to wait and we have to look forward every day. As we all know that we are investing or we are looking on this company, which is a blank check, hoping that someday or next year that this business aspirations would transform into a reality. Now, with the lack of fundamentals to base our investing decision, actually, this investment relies on their business plan and, of course, the track record and the trust of the key personnel. Trevor Melton, their executive chairman, the founder, and a serial entrepreneur. Prior to starting Nikola Motor Company, he is a CEO of D Hybrid Systems, LLC, a natural gas storage technology company that was acquired by one of America's largest steel providers, Worthington Industries Incorporated. So we know that Trevor is not new to this industry, so he could drive this company to success just like his previous companies. Mark Russell, the Chief Executive Officer. Mark joined Nikola as president in February 2019. He has been building and managing companies in the manufacturing industry for over 20 years, helping them grow profitably while building a significant value for investors. Last, Tim Brady. As an accountant, I do believe that a chief financial officer plays a vital role on each organization's success. Managing each fund, managing every dollar the company must have, particularly to those startup companies. Looking for fundings depends on him. Yes, buying this share is very speculative by nature. The share is very volatile. It has a high beta, giving each investors a higher risk on their invested capital with no definite return in the future. But with this type of business model, with this type of financial modeling and key executives, management who can be trusted upon, I do believe that they may deserve a big shot. There's a reason why investors flock to these stocks. We just have to be keen. We just have to know our limits and know when we're going to jump when there's something wrong on this company. Just make sure that you can carry that pain in your stomach. Anyway, the higher the risk, the higher the return. No one can control demand and supply. No one can control the demand on each product. No one can control the supply as well, as maybe somebody will hold their shares. Therefore, just trust your guts. Anyhow, no guts, no glory. That's all for today, guys. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and your notification bell so that you'll be updated on my upcoming videos. Please show me also some love by commenting and hitting that like button. Bye-bye!